All right, everybody, today we're repairing my wing. I got 2 rips and a puncture that we found so far. Not excited about it, but the cool thing about these wings is they're fairly durable that way, and these came with repair tape that's already color coded, so we should have a nice little quick repair and be back in action for tomorrow's flight. This little one's repaired, big one's repaired, and then there was 2 little punctures on the back here that are repaired so they can't go any further. I think the wing is back in service. We're going to do a good little once over and then put her back in service and be ready for tomorrow's epic flight. So basically what we did was we wiped everything down with some dish soap and water to get it nice and clean. Then we started on the back side. We applied our tape. We rounded all the edges of the tape so it doesn't lift off, and then we went across the top, keeping everything straight and true and lining up the rip stops as best as we could.
Woo! Shit!